Hello and welcome to another VB.net tutorials. In this lesson we're going to show you how to save settings so that Visual Basic remembers it next time that you open up your program. So we'll just make a new project, call it settings demo. We're going to add in a button and two radio buttons. Doesn't really matter how you lay it out. This is just a demo, so you can apply it to your own projects. Before we do anything, you need to right click over here in the Solution Explorer, go Properties, Settings, and we need to enter Radio Button 1 and Radio Button 2. They're both Booleans because it's yes or no for radio buttons, and that's all we need our settings for. Save. So upon load, so double click anywhere, I'm going to go me.radiobutton1.checked is equal to my.settings.radiobutton1. And we do the exact same thing, radio button 2. Sorry, I'll just change that around. Yep. And when we click button 1, that's when it's going to save this, or save which option we've chosen. So we have to dim radio buttons as radio button. All those things. Radio button 1, radio button 2, so we're declaring both of them in the one line there. Then my.settings.radio button 1 is equal to me.radio button 1.checked. Yep, and then we do the same for radio button 2, just to save time. I'm going to copy it again. Then we're going to run an if statement. So if radio button 1 is checked, then it's going to run this code at the type, which is just saving it in the settings. Yep, and so if it's checked, it'll save that. You do the same for radio button 2. So I'll just copy it again. And that should be all we have to do. So when we run the program, choose that, press button 1, end it. It should remember that radio button 1 was selected. If we choose radio button 2, press that button, close it, open it up again, it remembers radio button 2. And that's pretty much it for settings. You can alter them a little bit to save game settings like high scores, user settings, for example. You can enter a Boolean value in here, say like yes equals, sorry, have to dim it first, but yeah, we can enter a Boolean value in here and it'll save the Boolean value as true or false for you. It can save text in text boxes. You can pretty much save anything that you can alter. So yeah, have fun with that, and that's all for this lesson. Thanks.